So today we are going to talk about the book From Chaos to Clam by 108 Practical from the Gita for the Inner Balance. So I finished reading this book last night and I wanted to make a small review about what I liked about this book, what I hated about this book, whether you should read it or not. So I will talk a lot about this, but I will try to keep this review as short as possible because there is not a lot to talk about this. So basically, this book start with understanding the Bhagavad Gita, and there are like Bhagavad Gita is one of the best scriptical available. बट बेसिकली उसमें से भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं कि वो हमेशा पढ़ने के लिए नहीं मिलती और बहुत सारे ऐसे चीज़ें हैं कि जो संस्कृत में और उसके लिए टाइम लगता है समझने के लिए, फिर आपको संस्कृत लैंग्वेज समझनी पड़ेगी और देन आपको वो बुक महाभारत सॉरी वो गीता समझनी पड़ेगी. बट दिस बुक टॉक अबाउट कि 108 practical lessons from that book. Basically this book contains 21 chapter which talk about basically about the world, digital world, about your purpose, about your life. जो जो चीज़ें लाइफ में ज़रूरी होती है उन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में ये बुक बात करती है. एंड इट्स अ गुड बुक. आई विल से नॉट दैट ग्रेट, नॉट दैट रियली इंटरेस्टिंग बुक, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस बुक you will come across on the internet, and you will come across on the social media, you will come across on the social pages where they share about the psychological fact, why you should have purpose in your life. बेसिकली वो जो सारी हम चीज़ें बात करते हैं, अगर आपने जय शेट्टी की कोई भी बुक पढ़ी हो तो उनकी सारी चीज़ों के बारे में इस बुक में काइंड ऑफ बात की, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको पहले से पता होगी, जैसे कि व्हाई इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट टू फाइंड योर पर्पस, लाइफ में पर्पस की ज़रूरत क्या है, देन डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में क्या क्या ज़रूरी है, डिटैचमेंट क्यों ज़रूरी है. दैट इज समथिंग दैट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर विच आई लर्न फ्रॉम द वन ऑफ द बुक विच इज़ कॉल्ड द 4 एग्रीमेंट, जिसमें ये बात की गई कि व्हाई डिटैचमेंट इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड दिस बुक ऑल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट दैट व्हाई डिटैचमेंट इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. A lot of topic talks majorly about that, like every topic that contains versa from the Gita, and उसके बाद उसका मीनिंग बताया गया है. The author का YouTube चैनल पे भी YouTube चैनल है, and you can check out their YouTube channel and the videos as well, जिसपे you will find a lot of videos about उनकी लाइफ, लेक्चर के बारे में, उन्होंने जहाँ जहाँ पे विजिट किया वहाँ पे उनको जो जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे उसके आंसर्स क्या आते हैं. जैसे there is this one scenario where he talks about understanding your creating your own happiness. So basically he talks about कि there is this 300 student होते हैं और one question ask कि अगर आपको out of 100 95 marks मिले तो will you be happy. तो everyone says that yes I will be happy, everyone says that yeah it's a really good score, I will be happy. Then the second terms or condition come, but आपको बाद में ये पता चले कि आपके सारे क्लासमेट्स को 96 97 98 मिले and आपको ही 95 मिले. So will you be happy. And that's a really good question to understand. So creating your own happiness जैसे बताया गया है, तो that is also important. At the end of every chapter, like there are like 21 chapters in this book, and at the end of every chapter they specifically talk about giving the practical advice कि okay ये chapter है, इसका practical advice क्या है और इसको आप अपने life में कैसे use कर सकते हो. So that's also the author talks about, and it's a really good book. Some of the chapters that I really love enjoyed is first one, as I said, detachment, then creating your own happiness or the or success limit. Then there is this mindfulness in digital age. I'm directly reading the chapter name which you can directly pick up. Then the gray area of desire, like having a desire and how you can control the desire. Then there is this chapter number, if I'm not wrong, 16, when a dear one departs. So that is a great chapter. Good fairy tale, that is another great chapter. And there was last chapter which majority talks about leadership, but I have not liked that chapter. But the previous chapter, which is 20 chapter, did God create the bad in the world, I really like that chapter. So you can definitely read this book, and I really enjoyed reading this short book about understanding. But I have read a lot of self-help books, so that's the reason I felt this is a kind of average book. But if you're going to read the first time of or the author is your favorite, तो आप पक्का ये बुक खरीद लेना. मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. So that's all for this review. See you in the next one. Bye bye, and let me know if you like this kind of a short review. I will try to keep it as normal as possible. I will try to keep it as natural as possible. So bye bye, take care.